increase in LPG prices?
It is absolutely shameful, and the government of India should withdraw this immediately. And I'll tell you why. It was through sources-based information that media was being fed that no impact of the war will be borne by the people of this country. At the very first instance, in the very first week, you've gone and raised the prices. And you're making the cost of war should be borne by the citizens of this country. Why was it that the benefits of oil prices that you all got, the discounted oil that you all got, Indians didn't get the benefit of it? You all kept hoarding the money that you all got. The oil companies kept making money. The government of India kept making money. The advantage was not passed on to the people of this country. And at the first instance of risk that we are seeing, and for the government to be able to absorb it, for all the money you have collected by not passing on the discounted oil price to the Indians, you all have gone and raised the prices. It's a shame, and they need to roll this back. The cost of the war won't be borne by the people of this country. It is for the government of India, which has been not just the taxpayers' money, but also not passing off the benefits of the cheap oil that they purchased over the years, made profit out of. They cannot have the citizens of this country pay for it.
There's a debate going on the language used by the US official when it comes to giving exemption to India for buying US oil, that is to allow. The word was used allow. How do you see the language used by US officials?
It smacks of, and the silence coming from the government of India, smacks of total surrender to the whims and fancies of a US president. US president first, the trade that was going on between India and the United States was a healthy trade. Strategic interests and strategic deepening of friendship has happened, but it was disrupted. From a 3% tariff, it moved to 55% tariff, to now an 18% tariff, and BJP is trying to tell us that it's a success story. And this tariff has come at what cost? That we have surrendered our strategic rights, our strategic interests, and our energy security needs on the whims and fancies of United States of America. And the language is exactly that. The language comes from a space of arrogance that they know that India has surrendered the choice that they can make, the independent choices that they can make. So it's shameful, and the government of India needs to clarify to us, and we have been repeatedly saying this. This trade agreement has not come at the back of equal opportunities on equal terms. It's an unfair trade agreement. Tell us what was compromised for you to get this trade deal, and why were these compromises made with United States of America? There's nobody to tell us where we buy oil from, at what price we buy it, who we buy it from. This is not something that comes in US's domain. That is one and only India's responsibility, Indians' responsibility, the government of India's responsibility, which they have sacrificed at the altar of power.